Well, greetings once again from the Hershey RV show. We are now at the Rockwood Geo Pro. Someone requested the 19VH. I don't see a 19, but I see a 20VH, so let's check it out.
I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV.
Here's what it looks like here. All the information they have. This one has a front bed, dinette on a slide out, a corner bath in the back, and here's the galley. Let's check it out inside. Let's see what it looks like. East-west bed here with a TV. I don't like where that TV is, but I guess you could, watch TV in bed. Here's a small slide. This coach, by the way, looks like it would be fully functional with a slide in, well, except you wouldn't be able to turn on your air conditioner. A refrigerator power switch. Well, that's interesting. I guess you want to turn it off for travel, right? So it doesn't drain your battery. Again, the trend this year, 2-burner stove here. Small-ish sink. Yeah. Here we have bunk beds on this side. We have huge, it could be pantry or it could be a wardrobe closet as well. Convection microwave, a 12-volt fridge. Is this 12-volt? Yeah, it must be. Nobody is doing. Here's the ladder for your bunk, and in the front. There's not a whole lot of storage. Like there's no storage up here. Up there, there's a little bit. There's a drawer down here, and down here. But there's down there. I guess there is down there. Let's see the bathroom real quick. And here we have a nice porcelain toilet. Where have we seen this before? We have a similar faucet to what we have in our Micro Minnie. We have this. Looks like I'm gonna break it, but I guess it is like that. I don't know. Anyway, pull down sink to save space, and then we have a bathtub. Check it out. Some storage there. Well, anyway, I was gonna go into the bathroom, but my camera overheated. I guess I've been using it too much. This one has, again, the outside rack for your griddle. I'm gonna go quickly through this one. This is the 20 FKS, and there's someone in there. So let's go through this one. Where is it? The G19FD, which, we have Murphy bed here in the front. Beware of pinch point. So you would raise this and then put the bed down. And this is what it feels like an 8-foot wide trailer. I like this, actually. No slide. It's just for the joy of travel. I would do away with this and put a 2-burner stove here. I'm starting to like those more and more. Get a little more counter space here. I have a 2-person. This is really a 2-person trailer, 2-person dinette. Which there's a TV here, so I guess you could both cozy up on this one and watch TV. Or actually, the sofa looks really nice. Here's the bathroom. We have the fantastic van with actually it's a Max Air with the cover, so you can use this even if it's raining. Mirrors everywhere. No, it is not any Korean countertop or anything crazy like that, actually, but it's not bad. Here's a shower. Again, that's what I was gonna do in the other one with the camera crapped out. It's not the biggest headroom, but it's not the worst I've seen either. It looks complicated to put down the bed, so I'm not gonna do it. But yeah, here we have some controls, USBs, again, blackout shades, and let's see what this button does. Woo! There you go. Now I'm comfortable here watching my television set. Yeah, this is not bad actually. This is the the Geo Pro. I forgot the number. G19FD. Front dinette, no, front Murphy bed. I don't know what the FD stands for. And this one would be the 20 FKS. Let's see if there's no one here so I can see you. FKS front kitchen, I would assume. This is a very nice front. Look at the amount of counter space you have here. A lot of storage. I'm not gonna open every single drawer, you know. And down here we have, I would like to see a drawer, but no, it's just a large cavernous space where you could probably put your pots and pans. This is something that we don't see as often anymore. A propane oven. Oh, and a bottle opener. There you go. It's the little things, right? We have dimmable lighting. I don't know how to dim the lighting, but you have dimmable lighting. Oh, here we have this control panel here. Sofa with a lagoon table, a little storage up here. TV very well positioned right in front of your sofa, and you could probably sit. I mean, it's a large sofa. You could probably sit 4 people here. Yeah. There's a song there somewhere. You know, east-west bed in the back of the rig here, and we have a little bunk on the top. Actually, this is great utilization of space here. And now we have the bathroom. Yep, porcelain toilet. Nice sink here, you know, storage, Maxxer fan, mirror, same bathtub kind of deal that we saw earlier. And my only question is, can you access the bathroom and the back of the trailer with the slide in? And it looks like you could. I mean, let's see. This is what it goes almost to my shoulder here. So it will go almost to my shoulder here. Oh yeah, you have plenty of room if you need to go to the bathroom or even sleep with the slide in. Well, that's it. That's it for the Geo Pro by Rockwood here at the Hershey RV show. Oh, it's been a long morning. I think I'm gonna take a break. Thank you for watching. See you on the road.
I'm riding in my RV.